Bird Bros recording number 1 for Venice episode. Everyone is present in the studio at the time. This is our commentary.
Playing on the set. Not you.
Listen, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed.
Good morning!
Well, I'm off to Europe for 20 days. First stop, Italy!
That's awesome! I wasn't able to join John at this time, but hopefully he sees some good birds.
Oh, I'm sure I will. So I'm going to Venice in Italy. Italy's got a human population of just over 60 million people. So right now I've just arrived and I'm just exploring patches of forest.
Are you really excited, John, to do this?
Oh yeah.
Well, I've made it to Venice. I haven't seen any birds quite yet, but I fucking hear them everywhere. I just don't slip, John.
Plenty of canals here in Venice, Italy.
Boats and shit. Oh, what do you got there? That looks awesome.
I believe that's a Pygmy Cormorant, the smallest of all cormorant species.
The Pygmy Cormorant has a shorter beak and a really long tail.
It does.
And after fishing expeditions, these guys have to sit on branches or poles to dry their feathers off before they can take flight again, as they do not produce the water-repelling oils that protect their feathers, like ducks and geese do.
And this is what?
This is a great cormorant.
Beautiful bird.
They eat primarily fish by diving into the water up to 45 meters deep.
Look, the Eurasian coot.
Whoa, what's up with that bird's feet? That's crazy.
Man, those feet are something else.
But those feet are crazy.
This kind of webbing is called lobate webbing, where each individual toe is wrapped in webbing, designed to help it swim and balance on floating vegetation.
This is a female Eurasian coot, just minding her own business, preening herself, making herself look pretty. And there's a male. It looks like it might be mating season. They're checking each other out.
Oh, what's gonna happen? We're doing a dance?
Oh, what you gonna do? Alright. I'm all yours.
Oh man.
Bow chicka bow.
Oh. Judo flip. Get a room.
That's all I need. Yeah. Alright. Oh yeah. Well, first day here in Venice. Rainy, wet. If I lived here, I'd say it's a shitty day. But I saw like 8 new species just on like an hour walk, so it's friggin' fantastic. We're gonna keep on bird until it's dark.
Oh, and look at this guy with his crazy looking beak.
Yeah, that's a swamp chicken. No, that's a common moorhen.
Swamp chicken's just slang for this bird.
And these guys are typically found in marsh environments.
I wonder how Sean's doing back in Canada.
Oh, it's a cappuccino.
I love the cappuccino. Beautiful croissant. Swish.
So fluffy, so delicious.
I love the pastries. This is San Giuliano Park, the largest park in the area of Venice. Che magnifico for the birds. And here's the Green Woodpecker. I was just sitting on a bench taking a little break, and this guy just flew right by and landed on a tree. Perfect viewing.
These guys like to feast on ants, and they like to nest in open deciduous and mixed forest. Bird Bros getting all the cool birds.
This is a Eurasian Jain.
Part of the corvid family. They eat seeds from your garden and also hang out on grasslands. Look at those wings. They got a little bit of blue, kind of typical of what we're used to seeing, but the rest of them's not blue at all.
Yeah, much larger than the blue jays found in North America. About double the size.
You think they're about the size of a crow?
I would say they're about the size of a crow.
Oh, and here's a common magpie.
Yeah, also referred to as the Eurasian magpie, depending on who you're talking to.
Common magpie likes to forage on lawns as well. They even snatch seeds from your flower beds.
Sneaky devil.
It looks like John's been using eBird.
Yep, I'm working my way up the list. Number 2. I'm coming for you, number 1. So far, Italy's been a delight. But much more to come, along with Germany, Ireland, and Amsterdam.
So stay tuned for more episodes of the Bird Bros. We go international because we're freaking hardcore, bros. Yeah, and sisters, but like we're all everyone's bros. It's equal. We're all cool, like bros. What's up, Pit? What? Like, share, and subscribe, guys. We got plenty of adventures ahead.